in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change the region on your Google Pixel 10 Pro. In order to change the region, you should go to the settings, of course, and then go to system, right? Now go to language and region, and now go to system languages. You can see them here, but we should go to region. And now select the region that you'd like to set, and you can choose whichever one you like from the list. Then click on change. And now you can see the region has been changed, that will be about it. It may also change the language. So if, for example, you have a language set that is used in different countries, and those countries may have a little variation of the language, like for example English United States and English United Kingdom, then if you switch from United States to United Kingdom while staying in English language, it will change the variation of the language. So for example, it may be, instead of flashlight, it may be called torch. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.